Making coconut ice cream at home is fun and delicious. Here's a simple recipe that I'll leave in the description as well, okay? The best coconut ice cream. So the ingredients: 2 cups of coconut milk, full fat for creaminess, 1 cup of sugar, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, a pinch of salt, and it's optional to add shredded coconut for extra flavors. Instructions: number 1, mix the ingredients in a large bowl. Combine the coconut, milk, sugar, vanilla extract, and salt. Stir well until the sugar is dissolved. If you like, add some shredded coconut for a yummy texture. Number 2, chill it. Cover the bowl and put it in the fridge for about 2 hours, and this is going to help the mixture to get nice and cold. Number 3, churn. If you have an ice cream maker, pour the mixture into it and follow the machine's instructions. If you don't have an ice cream maker, pour the mixture into a shallow dish. Okay? Number 4, freeze it. If using a dish, freeze it for about 4 to 5 hours. Every 30 minutes, take it out and stir it to keep it creamy. Number 5, serve it. Once it's firm, scoop out the coconut ice cream into a bowl and enjoy it. This coconut ice cream is perfect for hot days and, as a sweet treat anytime.